One of the biggest challenges with affiliate marketing is trying to juggle multiple income streams at once. Normally, you'd need to build different websites, connect to different offers, and drive traffic from multiple sources. That can take months, and for most beginners, it's overwhelming. Wi-Fi Cash Bot changes that by letting you activate 5 income streams with a single tap. Instead of building everything from scratch, the system comes preloaded with done-for-you campaigns across different affiliate networks, like Warrior Plus, ClickBank, and JVZoo. Once it's switched on, you're not limited to just one offer. You instantly have access to multiple money-making opportunities running in the background. The best part? The AI traffic engine automatically sends targeted visitors to those offers. You don't need to figure out advertising or spend hours on social media. The system drives traffic for you while you just monitor results from your phone. So instead of stressing over multiple platforms and setups, Wi-Fi Cashbot allows you to build a diversified affiliate business in minutes, with everything managed under one simple dashboard. If you're ready to activate your own 5 income streams the easy way, click the link in my description and sign up for Wi-Fi Cashbot today.